how to create interactive Mentimeter quiz. So in this video, I'll show you how to create interactive Mentimeter quiz. So to get started, go ahead and open Mentimeter into your browser and then sign into your account if you already have one, or sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. Now in here, as you can see, you can create a free account by entering your personal details into the section or creating an account with your Google Mail. So I'll sign up for an account with my Google Mail and then click on your Google account and then click on continue. And then in here, you need to authorize Mentimeter to your Google account. So in here, you need to answer this first before you can proceed with the next step. So you need to answer what best describes why you're using Mentimeter today. And then as you can see, there are these plans that you can choose from, such as the free plan, basic plan, and pro plan. So I can simply proceed with the free plan. And then in here, you need to answer this so you can explore on your own or start with doing something first. So since what we want to do is to create an interactive quiz, I'll simply select quiz from here and then click on create. Now this will load and take me to the canvas. So into this section, you can go ahead and click on this plus new slide button at the top left of your screen to create a new slide or create a new question. So as you can see in here, this is how it will look like for the result. So click on this. And then in here, as you can see, there is this interactive question section where you can choose from. So go ahead and select the one that you want to use for this. So as you can see, you can also set this into pin on image question, 2x2 grid, quick form, 100 points, guess the number, ranking, Q&A, scales, word cloud, and multiple choice. So for example, I want to select word cloud to make it more interactive. So type your question, add 2 to 4 answer options, and mark the correct answer. You can also add images or GIFs to make it more engaging, and enable leaderboard. Now, turn on leaderboard to show scores after each question, which is actually very great for competitive quizzes and customized settings. So you can set the time limits for each question. So you can also choose whether participants will see the correct answer once they have done answering the question. Now you can add themes or branding to match your event and share the quiz with participants. Click present to launch the quiz and share the voting link or QR code with your audience. And then participants can join via their phones or laptop, no account needed. And that is how you can basically create interactive Mentimeter quiz.